Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Westmoreland. Well, we're in Westmoreland. We're heading towards Sav-la-Mar, and we are on the Mackfield Main Road, or what persons refer to as the Montego Bay Highway, because it leads you from Montego Bay back to Sav-la-Mar or Westmoreland. More specifically, it drops you out at Ferris. Okay, so on the left, we're passing one of Coke's View Methodist Church, and these churches you can see are very historic because they have been built probably hundreds of years ago. So they have those artistic, it has the artistic look. So as you can see, this is a very nice road. It was recently built a couple years ago, and it connects Westmoreland to Montego Bay and cuts the travel time in half. That's probably one of the main reasons why they refer to it as a highway. Okay, if we go straight here, we go to Ferris, Black River. If we turn right, we go to Petersfield, Amity, Savlamar, and then Negril. Savlamar is the capital and the largest town in Westmoreland, and Negril is probably it's a tourist destination. There are a lot of hotels and villas, and it has a very nice beach, so it's probably the most popular place in Westmoreland. It's known the world over because of its beach and all those hotels there. So this road will take us all the way from Montego Bay to Westmoreland, and more specifically, it comes out at a place called Ferris in Westmoreland. And from Ferris to Sav-la-Mar is probably a 10-minute drive. So you have communities like Whithorn, Haddo, Mackfield. This road connects all of them, gives you the option of going to Sav-la-Mar or to Montego Bay. So it makes travel for those areas, to and from those areas, so much easier. And as you can see on the left, it's a housing development. This part of the road is like residential, a lot of residential homes. Okay, this area is known as Waterworks. Okay, now at this intersection, this is where we intersect the Ferris Road. If we go left, we'd go towards Black River and eventually Kingston. If we go right, that takes us to Sav-la-Mar and the Grill. So we're going to go right as we're driving into Sav-la-Mar today. So we're in the parish of Westmoreland. And Westmoreland is the westerlymost parish in Jamaica. That's the Ferris Primary School on the left. So we're driving through an area called Paradise now, and then after Paradise we'll go into Sav-la-Mar. So we just passed the Knutsford Express, and that is the #1 bus service in Jamaica. It connects the entire island via like a luxury bus service, but it's most popular for going between Kingston and Montego Bay. It actually started with the route going from Norman Manley International Airport to the Sangster International Airport. And the Norman Manley International Airport is in Kingston and Sangster International Airport is in Montego Bay. So it started as an airport-to-airport service, and it has grown over the years, and they basically take you all the way from right across the island. So the bus was obviously leaving from Sav-la-Mar, or maybe even the Grill, heading back to Kingston. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching the channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.